Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to edit or a crop image in Wix. So here as you can see I have opened a filter of Wix and here is the image and we are going to crop this image. So let's go. Here I click the crop button. As you can see you can just cut what we exactly want. So let's see now if only we need this car image. So we need to crop it till the car image. So we are coming closer, and yes. So now once you have done the image, once you have figured it out to what you exactly want, and exactly if you have pointed the image, then apply. So as you can see, it's done.